Hello everyone, this video will teach you how to choose the best embroidery machine among so many machines on the leaderboard. There are many focus points in this video. Friends who watch it, please give us a like and subscribe our channel by the way. Do you know Alibaba? I think most of you have heard about it. It's the world's largest B2B platform and over 26 million active overseas buyers. Today let's talk about how to choose embroidery machine on Alibaba to avoid some stepping on page like bad machine, bad shopping experience, or even be cheated. Firstly, we open the page and enter your keywords embroidery machine. You will see all rented products on the page. We have two dimensions to measure these rented products. First one is the star rating of the merchant, represents transaction ability of the merchant. And the higher star rating, the stronger comprehensive ability of the store it means. The second one is amount of buyers' reviews. We also have 3 points to assess these reviews: logistics, service, and the product quality. Each review is from real-name buyers. You can see real product quality and service of merchant from this. Of course, there are many advertised products on the page. You can check it if there is a sign on the lower left of your product. Okay, let's click on the product to learn more. You will see product details and parameters. On this page, there are 2 key points. First one is actual area of buyers, which is determined by the account ID of buyers. It can be used to judge whether the merchant has fraud. The second one is buyer's comment. Each comment is also real name. There is no falsehood. It can be used to judge whether the merchant and the product are trustworthy. Here is an interface on the right. If you want to know more details of a product, you can click it and directly check online. In addition, you can click Stop Page. You will find more details, various information such as company story, certificate, transaction area. You can refer to them one by one. Okay, that's all about suggestions can be put into practice directly through Alibaba. But remember, you need to do some background check first, then get in touch with brands you believe. That's for today's sharing. If you like it, follow us to learn more.